So here's an example of using the Cursor IDE with Jupyter Python. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a brand new Jupyter notebook, call it Bitcoin 2 IPIBNB. And then I'm going to kind of use a AI widget here. And I'm going to say fetch the Bitcoin um, current prices from here and put into a panda data frame and then calculate some basic statistics about the statistics about the highest moving Bitcoin prices and the ones with the lowest changes. Let's try this. So it's giving me some answers here. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger to see. I'm going to copy this. Paste it here. I'm going to see what it's did. It's saying to import some of these Python libraries, specifying the URL, doing a JSON fetch, and then putting the data into these columns. And it kind of did a fetch data to look at what kind of data was coming back. And then it's going to show some basic statistics. So let's try running this. I'm going to pick another one. Let's pick a different kernel. I'm going to pick a kernel that had all these packages already pre-installed. So here it ran it. It fetched the data from the website and then printed out some highest movers, lowest movers, and some other basic statistics. And then another thing that we're going to try to do here is try to graph the data frame into a nice graphical display. So let's just say space using the data frame. I think it's called DF plot. Generate a graphical plot showing the various Bitcoin prices, highs and lows. So let's try that. So it's kind of doing it all over again in terms of generating the plot. So we're going to take just pieces of it. Oops. I'm going to just take pieces of this. Since we already created the data frame, well, let's just do the whole thing. So here are the graphs for the various Bitcoins in terms of the prices compared to the others.